Tesco was a superstore in UK. जब algorithm, see, I'll take you where we were. So we give a birth to a Facebook. By mistake, he identified something, and then the scrolling got invented. And the moment the scrolling got invented, we move subsequently on algorithm. अभी data चाहिए. Tesco was the first superstore in UK who introduced a club card. अभी एक club card कौन सा है? Whoever use or purchase anything from Tesco, they will use this club card और उसको points मिलेंगे. Basically, this club card was collecting data of customers. They give a club card to 3 months to all customer, and Tesco started realizing the shopping of each and every customer pattern. So they precisely know the pattern, how a customer shop. 3 months down the line, when those people presented a data to the founder of Tesco, the chairman only made a statement. What you know in 3 months about my customer is what I do not know in last 30 years. And that's where the first usage of data started coming in. And then in 2012, Target, so from 2004 to we moved to 2012, United States of America had a superstore called Target who sell everything and anything. They started using algorithm to check how the customer buy and what they purchase and how much they pay. And they went to an extent where they precisely started realizing how their customer is going to buy what things in next 1 year. What I mean, if a lady is purchasing unscented lotion, algorithm started giving an information to seller that lady is pregnant. Because the unscented body lotion is what a pregnant lady use according to them. That means they decided 3 months down the line, this lady is going to buy a moisturizer to avoid those stretch marks. And later 3 months down the line, that lady is going to buy supplements called zinc and magnesium to support the body. And later part of time, if she is moving in a store within a larger cotton bag, that means next 1 month she is going to deliver a baby. And later on, they started sending free gift coupons to those lady for those baby purchase products, soaps, powder, nappies and all that. But what I'm trying to tell you is, they precisely realize what you will do in next 1 year. And that courtesy was an algorithm. And that later on, the same thing has come to your life where the democracy of United States of America have been hijacked with a similar pattern. And subsequently, now it's coming precisely to your life where an algorithm knows who you are. So when a girl is going to get married, a parent is giving a detail to a data broker stating, I need detail of this person, and they give everything about you. Your birth date, your height, your weight, the number of accounts you have changed, where you visit, which places you visit, how many times you visit, what are the kind of friends you have, with what you interact, your transcript of WhatsApp, and the number of URLs, website you are visiting. And I am talking this about Ahmedabad. So I am not talking about this is happening somewhere out of Ahmedabad. Please understand. Right? And that is where we said the scrolling, the Facebook and algorithm have produced a data where this is the situation we are finding.